Proper geeking out today. Got some Snoopy trainers for the kids. So this is just a super silly geeky video. I really love trainers or sneakers, whatever you want to call them. Normally I kind of prefer Nike, but I saw these from Vans and I decided to pick them up. They were in the sale, 50% off, and they are basically some classic slip-on Vans trainers, and I decided to kind of buy a set for the kids, and I think they are awesome. So I also really just like the packaging, which is why I decided to do a video about this, why I'm kind of geeking out a little bit about it. So if you look at the packaging, you've got basically the Snoopy, Charlie Brown comic strip going all over, and I just loved kind of how they'd done it, and the presentation is really neat too. So when we open it up inside, even the kind of wrapping paper around the trainers itself looks awesome too. Then we pop them open. Look how cool they are. That is just amazing. So I just thought I'd share this with you. I'll pop a link in the description as well. If you've got kids and you feel like grabbing a set of these, like I said, right now they're 50% off at the time of recording, and there's a couple of different varieties as well. They've got adult ones as well, not too many of those in the sale, but yeah, Vans, Peanuts, Snoopy, classic slip-on trainers, awesome.
Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.